There are over 8 million stories here in the Big Apple. Some well known, others obliviously left in the dark.
It was sort of like this fantasy world where now you're a superstar and you didn't need a car, you didn't need anything. You just needed to have that Polo and you were the flyest dude on the block.
And you gotta look at the inside. You see the inside, you see the polo, and then you see how it's stitched.
This is the story of the Renaissance that undoubtedly left its mark on New York City.
Polo represented the highest brand of fashion, not only in my era, but in any era. It brought about a movement that we've never seen like no other.
If you had on a certain garment, a certain item, you know, everybody couldn't have that, and that just placed you on kind of a level that you felt was above everybody else.
It was more than just clothing. It was a way of life. It was actually the bridge, the first bridge that us Haitians took to get us to where we are now, as far as gaining our respect.
A story of how Polo Ralph Lauren bridged the gap between culture and fashion.
If you were not a real dope boy, you were not getting real money, man, you had no access to Polo.
A story of how a nation of people endured prejudice and injustice in an effort to assimilate into a new world.
Every year they come up with a different theme or a different name. If it's not the Haitian boat people, then it would be HBO, which stands for Haitian Body Order.
Most importantly, what their children did to overcome it all. This is the Haitian Polo documentary.